Before we begin, here's a quick challenge. Can you tell me the square root of 4,489 in just 5 seconds without using a calculator? I guess 99% of you couldn't do it. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll be able to find the square root of any perfect square mentally in just a few seconds. The only thing you need to memorize is the squares of the numbers from 0 to 9. Now look carefully at the last digit of each square. You'll notice an interesting pattern. 1 and 9 both end in 1. 2 and 8 both end in 4. 3 and 7 both end in 9. 4 and 6 both end in 6. Only 0 and 5 have unique last digits. This simple observation is the key to the entire trick. Let's find the square root of 2025. Step 1. Look at the last digit. It's 5. The only square ending in 5 is 5 squared, so the last digit of our answer must be 5. Now ignore the last two digits. We're left with 20. Find the largest perfect square less than or equal to 20. That's 16, which is 4 squared. So the first digit is 4. Therefore, the answer is 45. Now let's try 1,369. The last digit is 9. So our answer could end in 3 or 7. Write both possibilities. Ignore the last two digits and we're left with 13. The largest perfect square less than or equal to 13 is 9, which is 3 squared. So the first digit is 3. Our answer is either 33 or 37. Now multiply 3 by the next integer, 4. 3 times 4 equals 12. Compare 12 with 13. Since 13 is greater than 12, choose the larger ending digit, 7. So the answer is 37. Let's solve 7,396. The last digit is 6. So our answer ends in either 4 or 6. Ignore the last two digits and we're left with 73. The largest perfect square less than or equal to 73 is 64, which is 8 squared. So our answer is either 84 or 86. Now multiply 8 by the next number, 9. 8 times 9 equals 72. Since 73 is greater than 72, choose the larger ending digit, 6. Therefore, the answer is 86. One last example. Find the square root of 17,956. The last digit is 6, so our answer ends in 4 or 6. Ignore the last two digits, and we're left with 179. The largest perfect square less than or equal to 179 is 169, which is 13 squared. So the answer is either 134 or 136. Now multiply 13 by 14. That gives 182. Since 179 is less than 182, choose the smaller ending digit, 4. Therefore, the answer is 134. Now let's go back to the question I asked at the beginning. Can you find the square root of 4,489 in under 5 seconds? Pause the video and try it yourself. If your answer is 67, congratulations. You've just learned one of the fastest square root tricks. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe for more mind-blowing mathematics, and I'll see you in the next one.